So I now have the anchors set, and I drilled all of these from the side, and I have the front, the top, and the rear, all three pieces done. The front one is behind that one, and most of the anchors, most of the swag was done on that front curved nose piece. That's what took up most of the anchors, and it just so happened that one pack of this here one pack did the job. So that's 50 anchors that I use from that kit. If I do the shelves, I might go back with this pack, or I might try to find just smaller anchors, because I don't need as much strength per se per the shelves as I would like to have holding the structure together. Now to sand down the paper, smooth this area out a bit. Alright, so the next step in the prepping your stuff for the swag, once you have your screws and your hose marked and your anchors put in, glued in, you want to come through, you want to come back and just smooth down that little build up from the glue. I'm going to get all these trimmed down first. And once you have them trimmed down, you want to take a screw, find the anchors, and make sure the hole is open up for the screw. So now I'm gonna finish. So now I'm gonna clean all these up, make sure they're open, and sand some of this compound down so it's smooth, so I can get them ready for screening. I have my compound on the little divots and joints. Well, I've joined it on this one. And I noticed something on this type of foam board. Can you see it? Look at the ends. It seems as if when it sits in the sun, it tends to draw up, bow. I guess I'm gonna say it seems to draw up because see how the edges are lifting up? I'm hoping once I put the, well, I have this one here screened, and a difference in it is it's in the shade, and as you see, the corners are not bowed up on this one. So if I lay this out, I guess I'm gonna have to put some weight on the edges as I let it dry to keep them down. And I hope once I PMF it, it's going to be firm enough to where it pulls and holds it into place. I did not record any video of screening this because I have plenty more pieces, what, 6, 7 pieces, I lost count, but I have plenty pieces to catch a screening. But that's how this is turning out. I got my thumbtacks in to pull the edges and hold the edges in place. And I'm gonna screen the outside for the time being. And once I get it together, I think I'll take screen out. And once I get it together, I'll screen the inside. And I'm gonna do it that way so I will be sure to know outside and inside as I put it together. Okay, this here is the front bottom part, and what I did to this, I think I may have shown you on the wall, but anyway, I tried to just fill in. This here is reclaimed foam. I would suggest you getting new, but if you go this route and use the reclaim, then it's going to have certain lines in it, I guess, where the studs or whatever were. So you're going to want to try to fill those in a little bit with your compound just to smooth them out, and that'll take away from the dip from being the low spot when you spread the screen or PMF to build it up a little bit, because those low spots will separate the covering and it'll have air trapped under there. So I'm trying to get much of that out, smooth it out as much as possible, and then once it's dry, just come back and sand it. Which I've already done a pass on, and there's still a few little low spots in it, but I'm not really going to worry about it at this. And you can build it up to where it's completely level. I think I still might have a little bit of low areas, but I'm not really going to worry about it. I'm hoping as well as being that I'm going to screen it, when I put the screen on and that hardens, it's going to kind of like, well, you're going to find out, but I'm hoping that's going to kind of like lift the areas up to where the PMF will lie flatter on the screen. Okay, now I just have the side and the galley area, or the nose. After that, time to put it together.